The Metra Grain Cleaner SGC 400 is your trusted partner in the grain cleaning process. At the heart of this pre-cleaner is a mesh plane that vibrates with the pushing motion of a piston. This provides quality screening of grain material from impurities. One end of the screen is held on special carabiners, thanks to which the screen is easily moved during operation and can be removed if necessary. The intensity and direction of vibration of the pre-cleaner is adjusted by means of a convenient control panel. The material to be sorted is fed to the top of the screen. Good material passes through the screen openings and is directed to the next stage of separation, while coarse debris is easily discharged through a special opening. If you need to change the type of material being separated, this can easily be done by replacing the screen. The replacement procedure requires no special skills. Just unclip it from the carabiners and unscrew the transfer shaft and the top bolts holding the frame. That's it. The screen is ready to be replaced. The SGC 400 is the perfect choice for separating a variety of bulk crops. It works perfectly with the ADS 200 or ADS 400 aerodynamic grain cleaner to create a compact and efficient grain processing line. Best of all, our Metra grain cleaners are maintenance-free, saving you time and making your business more profitable. Trust the reliability and efficiency of the Metra grain cleaner SGC 400 to keep your farm running smoothly.